Girly, we're just gonna start with some powder because you're so oily, it's giving KFC, but you're so beautiful and so youthful still, even though you're so greasy. So we're just gonna dunk all of this powder on you. And now we're going in with some blush to make you look so, what do you call it? Girly pop? Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna add some to your nose because it's chic to me. Anyways, now we're doing the contour. Oh, Miss Tony's coming by. She always got all the tea. Let's see what she tells us.
People are always talking, but what happens when the talk isn't cheap? And it is what it is.
I think she's arguing with that one friend again. But anyways, we're blending everything out now. Snatch, girly. Okay, so it's brow time. I'm just gonna start creating them. And I'm gonna make them pretty long. Alright. Hair-like strokes. Creating them from dust. How do you normally do your brows? Excuse me, I noticed you were falling asleep, so you had to get Christ because I'm bored and I need somebody to talk to. Moving on to your eyeshadow, you said you wanted a, soft girl look? Alright, going for it. Gold, of course, but we're gonna start with some brown on the crease. And what do you do for a living? Yeah, I'm asking for a TikTok. I really don't mind. Can you get that guy out the restroom? Ugh. I hate when girlies bring their kids and then their kids stay in the restroom doing God knows what. It's so annoying. Then I get angry clients talking about they need to go wash their hands, they need to go use the restroom, and there's somebody in there. Sorry, I'm gonna lower my voice. I've been told many times when I talk smack about people that I need to be quiet. It's a bad habit of mine, excuse me. Oh, Miss Tony's on her break. I'm married! I am so sorry that you have to see her and her supposedly good friend fight outside. Excuse me so much. I'll make some ASMR noises to calm you down. This one's for the boys with the booming system, top-down AC with the cooler system. Have you ever been approached by somebody asking double it and give it to the next person? I don't even know exactly how the phrase goes, but yesterday I had a guy come up to me and he was like, do you want these $20 or do you want to double it and give it to the next person? And I was like, give me the $20. I got a business. I can really buy some new makeup. Then he snatched the $20 after the video and he ran. Alright, I'm gonna shut up now. Listen to these ASMR sounds. What was that? You found that annoying? I am so sorry. What would you like to listen to? Oh, you want to hear the tea about Mrs. Tony and her friend? Well, I don't know it, but the next time you come, I'll go ahead and tell you. Yeah, don't worry. I got you, girl. But yeah, your makeup is done already. It came out so cute. It's gold, just like you wanted it. Is this not how you wanted it? You wanted pink? Girl, I got the DM. You can't.